Cool treats are springing up, from blizzards to chicken and biscuits. You recognize when happy tastes good. Today's CI Kitchen sponsor, Dairy Queen. We have owner Wendell Bradley hanging out with us over in our CI Kitchen. I'm very confident that happy does taste good, especially when we're talking about Dairy Queen.
It sure does. Hey, we got some new blizzards. This new summer menu is here.
That's exciting.
Yeah, it really is. We've got a couple ones from the past, and we got some new ones, so I just wanted to kind of tell you about them today.
Well, let's do it. Let's go through them.
I'm going to start off with this one. This one's like for our chocolate persons, like intense chocolate. This is like taking brownies that you're making at home and taking the batter and then some brownie pieces and throwing it together and mixing it up with DQ. So it's really intense chocolate. It's called brownie batter. We had it years ago as one of the top sellers, and it's back this year. The next one here that we have is animal cookie, which this one's actually the blizzard of the month this month. So it's frosted animal cookie crackers, or cookies, broken up, thrown in with some pink confetti icing, mixed all together. It's kind of sweet, but you get those chunks of that frosted animal cookie in there. It's really good.
Those animal cookies are my weakness. And then throw in ice cream. That's not going to be a good combination for me. So I'm anxious to try that one.
Yeah, that one's good. Next one here is one we had last year and we brought back. It's drumstick. So it's like a drumstick you probably had for years. They've been around forever. So we take drumstick pieces chopped up, throw in some crushed nuts and some DQ cone coating, mix it all up. It would be like taking a drumstick and putting it in a blender and blend it all up with DQ, and that's what you got.
That's
probably one of my favorites there.
Well, I was going to say, that one has to taste like childhood, because who doesn't remember playing outside when you're little and then coming inside for a drumstick ice cream cone? Perfect.
Yeah, drumstick's been around forever.
Oh, yeah.
And it's popular still, and so we got it in a blizzard, so it's really good.
Okay.
This next one here is it's not for everyone, but the people that like this next one, cotton candy, are just like rabid over it. You know, they love cotton candy blizzards, and it's a group of people that are really intense on having this. So we usually have it every year on our summer menu. And it's back again. It's really good.
How do you get cotton candy into ice cream?
Okay, so we take cotton candy topping, put it in, we put cotton candy sprinkles in, and blend it all up with DQ, and it's just a really good tasting blizzard too.
Well,
it really tastes like cotton candy. So
I'm sure that's a kid favorite for sure.
Yeah, it is. And sometimes there's a few adults that are just really hooked on this one, surprisingly. My wife's one of them.
Oh, goodness.
Hey, and this next blizzard we got is one that we've had 2 times before, and it's actually is our all-time best-selling blizzard ever. This is Girl Scout.
I was going to guess it had to have some kind of cookie in it.
Yeah, Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies, a little bit of cream de mint topping, and DQ. And we've had this before years ago. We've had a couple times, but it's been really popular. So you can just think of like Thin Mint cookies. You know, at home we put them in the freezer and freeze those tubes, eat them, frozen. And that's what's in this blizzard.
You must have a connection with some Girl Scouts.
Yeah, we DQ and Girl Scouts kind of,
good
make
partners.
a good match, Yes. So, but that's a really good one. It's been really popular. Haven't had it for a number of years, so it's back. And
I'm going to guess there has to be at least one fruit-based one.
We do. This one on the end is Raspberry Bliss. And so what this is, we take real frozen raspberry. It's not a raspberry topping, it's fresh frozen raspberries, so there's chunks of raspberry in it. Then we put in brownie dough pieces, which actually is in this first one down here. They're like really intense little nuggets of brownie dough. Then we throw in some chocolate chunks, mix it all up, so it's got a lot of chocolate flavor along with that fresh raspberry.
But it's got fruit, so it's healthy.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty refreshing blizzard. So we got a good combination of different ones. My favorites personally are either drumstick or thin mint. I can't decide which one, so I'll probably have to keep going for both of them.
Oh, yeah.
But we got a good variety. Real sweet ones.
They're all available now.
They're available right now. We started them last week, so they're good to go.
We're looking at a flyer right there. Chicken and biscuits.
Yeah, this is an item that we're featuring this month. And it's DQ chicken tenders, which Dairy Queen chicken is not just like breast meat cut up into slices. It's actually chicken tenders, which is a lot more tender than a regular, some of the other chicken on the market. So that's one reason why Dairy Queen chicken is so good. It's really tender. We got great breading on it. Then, instead of putting toast in it, we've got 7 little mini biscuits. We bake these off, fresh to order, so they're warm when you get them. Have a cup of gravy, so you can dip your biscuits in the gravy, you can dip your chicken in the gravy, you can dip your fries in the gravy. So, I mean, you got gravy to dip in.
Gravy goes with everything.
It's really good gravy. It's white gravy. We make it fresh every morning. And so this is our feature this month, and it's just really good.
So does that mean if it's a feature this month, it's a limited time
Yeah, this is a limited time, so we don't have it all the time.
So get it now while
get
it's
it
hot.
now while we've got it. So it'll be here for the month of April. So
well, there's a reason it's called fan food for sure. It's delicious. And if you have any questions, you want to check out this new summer menu or the fun little chicken and biscuits that they've got featured this month, we'll connect you to everything happening at the DQ. There's a look at all their socials and website. We'll connect you. CILiving.tv.